So guys, my baby have rejected food these days. He's not feeling fine, so I decided to go and get him some medicine. Yeah, I get him the medicine that will make him to be hungry. So I get him this medicine. I get him this one. If I give him this one will make him to be eating. So this one is vitamin C because he's having cough, and this one is for malaria medicine. Yeah, this one is for malaria medicine. As you can see, mosquito is for malaria medicine, and this one is for. There's one thing we used to call it in Ra. They used to do them. They used to do normally. The thing normally used to do newborn babies on their face. So this is for it, and this one is for paracetamol because it's having a very high temperature. Yeah. So I'll first and give him the malaria medicine. After that, we'll put water. So this is our pure water. Oh, that was you. How about you drink, Abby? So this is our malaria medicine. This is how the thing looks like. Here, my mother taught me that if you want to give your baby anything, you must first and test it to know how the thing. If you want to give a baby something, you must test it. That's what my mother taught me. To know when the thing spoiled, to know when the test of that thing, to know when you buy a fake thing. You know, here in Nigeria, there are a lot of fake things. Yeah, so before we do anything, we must test. Yeah. So sweet. Good boy. Good boy. So let's add more water. Yeah, because my body is full of water. I take. So the second one will be vitamin C. Vitamin C. Shagaze is a good boy. This vitamin C is for. I even have. This vitamin C is for the cough because he's having cough. I take. Good boy. Shagaze is a good boy. So the third one will be this one. This one will make him eat. Yeah. This one is 2.5. Hey. This one, 2.5, not up to 2.5. Ew. Yeah. Ooh, very sweet sounded. Goodbye. So the last but not the least going to be this. I have to mix this one. Let me put first and put water here. So I'm looking for his cough medicine. Yeah, this one is for the cough. Yeah. The cough medicine remains very small. But good, but have I given him paracetamol? No. This one is paracetamol. Yeah. Everything is 2.5, 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. So this one will make the temperature to be down. I think. Yeah, we are done for today. For those of you asking me why, for those of you saying my baby is lying down, I don't think my baby is lying down. Because this is how they taught us how to feed our baby. So even if we want to carry our baby, this is how we carry our baby. Even if we want to breastfeed our baby, this is how we carry our baby and breastfeed them. So I don't see anything like baby is lying down, bra 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 bra. I don't see something like that. So this one is water. Sorry. Bye. Thank you for watching. Tell her to say bye.